guys, I just wanted to wish you a very happy bonfire night. So it's currently the 5th of November, 6 days to my birthday, so I'm really excited. This weekend I'm having my party and I'll probably put this onto this vlog. I got a video of some fireworks and later we'll be doing sparklers and roasting marshmallows. I will definitely be filming a bit, but unfortunately it started raining. The fireworks that we're going over quite close to our house, they only did a few, and then when they did the rest of them they were really pretty, but I didn't get to record because my camera is charging. Long story short, I didn't get a video, and then now because it's raining they sound weird and don't look as good. I got some videos from them going off in Harborough, but they're quite small. I'm sure we'll be able to see something in them. Yeah, so oh my god, I'm so weird. I will let you see how we get on with sparklers, and we definitely will be roasting marshmallows. See you in a bit. Wow, Mum. Wow. It's not recording. Wait. Yes, it is, Sarah. Nice time. I think I know better than Mum. Mum wasn't pressing record the whole time. Mum wasn't pressing record. Yeah, exactly.
So Rachel, when you go to your mum said, there you go, Mum, you know what to do.
I said I've stopped recording, can you press record again? Just stood there for 2 minutes, like, what was it? Like,
Oh well.
and she missed the fireworks.
It's only Bonfire Night 2014, you can do it any other day. No, it's gone forever. Never mind, let's go.
Hey, what fireworks?
No, we can't because it's not a good sight and I won't be able to get it in time because you missed that one.
Happy bonfire night.
I love the bird ones because they were like